we will be learning les sujets pronoms, that is the subject pronouns of French. There are total 8 pronouns in French. The sujet pronoun, the subject pronouns. First of them is je. Je means I. For example, I have to say je suis petite. I am small. So I will use the pronoun je. Next is tu. Tu is you. Then third we have il, which means he, and elle is the fourth one, which means she. Then we have nous, which means we. Then we have vous, which again means you. And then we have il, which means they. So ILS is the plural of IL, which means they, masculine. And ELL is the plural of feminine, which means they but feminine. Now, one very important thing is what's the difference between tu and vous? Because what I told you is that tu also means you, vous also means you. So the first difference is tu is used in formal way and vous is used in a formal way. For example, I'm talking to a friend, so I will not say vous. I will say tu t'appelles. Your name is. Because she is my friend, he is my friend, so I'll use the informal way of conversation. I will say tu. But when I'm talking to my school teacher, my office colleagues, or someone I'm very formal with, a new person I'm meeting to, I will not say tu, I will say vous, because it's a formal way of conversation. This is the first difference. Second difference, for example, I'm talking to a group of people. Even they are my friends, but there are a lot of people there. I will not use tu, I will use vous, because it's plural. So first point is, tu is used for the informal way of communication and vous is used for the formal way of communication. Vous is used when there are a lot of people. It's plural. Vous is the you form in plural. So in total we have 8 pronouns: je, tu, elle, elle. These are the singular pronouns: I, you, he, she. Coming to the plural pronouns, we have nous, vous, il, elle. So these are the sujet pronouns, the subject pronouns. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep practicing. Merci.